Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I just want to talk a bit about gold and silver. Like, nobody expected that. And if you like fun videos on gold and silver, please like, share, subscribe. I do upload videos out basically every single morning, so be sure to like and subscribe if you do like the regular content. And yeah, every video is a premiere, so come hang out with everyone. Great group of people to hang out with. Subscribe, you don't want to miss any future giveaways that'll be done on this channel. You don't want to miss any deal alerts or anything like that. One coin I'm into right now is the 2021 Roaring Lion. It's a new A mint. Cheapest government coin I could find. That's kind of the deal that I'm seeing right now. But yeah, so with gold and silver, we're gonna have some. I think we're gonna have some upward pressure coming here. I do think now is not a bad time to be deploying some cash into precious metals. It could go down. I see a couple scenarios which could cause it to go down, but only temporarily. Such as one thing I've kind of been waiting on is margin calls this year. Ever since the summer, I've kind of been waiting for almost a round 2 of margin calls. We had some in March. But the Dow Jones being at almost 30,000 points, my goodness, I'm not heavily invested right now. People are starting to turn really bullish on stocks. I'm not sure what's going on with everything. I think that there's a bit of a switch going on here. Some stocks are falling, some stocks are rising, but obviously that happens, but a bit of a sector switch coming. Tech falls, stuff like banks rising, at least temporarily. Although if we do get a sell-off, there's so many tax implications with that Biden has stated are his plans. I could see that adding to a bit of a dip. I could see people just saying everything's overvalued, regardless of what happens. That could very easily lead to a dip. Sell-offs typically drop the price of gold and silver at first. Even without margin calls. People start just saying, I don't want to hold everything, I want to get out of the markets right now and hold off and wait. There's a lot of that attitude, which causes just prices across the board to be lower. More people selling, less people buying that would have bought. Big change in supply and demand, so that's what drives prices for everything. But yeah, I'm pretty happy about the outlook that I see going on right now, at least for how I'm positioned, although I guess everyone would position themselves differently if they didn't feel that way, so it's not really a crazy important statement, I guess, but yeah, I just don't think that. I think that there's a lot of emotion going into the day-to-day news. We just had everyone going crazy because the virus is over, a vaccine's here, now we're having lockdown. There's a lot of emotion that drives prices, not a lot of intelligence in what I'm seeing right now. When things like gold aren't acting as gold, it's mostly like I'm scared I'm going to buy gold instead of, wow, I see a lot of inflation coming, I'm buying gold. People see, oh, if we get stimulus, that'll be good for the markets. I'm not buying gold, which makes no sense to me. It just, unless you're a day trader, I'm not, that's not what I do. But it just doesn't make a whole lot of sense. when you think that if there is stimulus, more money is printed, therefore you want gold. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense what I'm seeing going on with their emotional reaction to the news. It just doesn't make a whole lot of sense. That's why everything's so skewed. When we have everyone afraid to spend money, we end up with these, when we print money so people can invest that are afraid to spend money, you're going to end up with these major asset bubbles. Like, they're talking about, their terminology is stimulating a shutdown. You pay for it. You fund it. There is no stimulating a shutdown. The fact that it's called stimulus makes no sense. I don't see what's going on right now sustainable. When you look at the rate of return for how much printing goes on to how much return in just economic growth, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. It seems like if that's the rate of return that you get, you shouldn't be making that investment. If you're losing over 90% of the money, why are you investing in that? Would you do that yourself? I don't think many people would. That's why I'm kind of shocked that everyone's supporting government spending doing that. But if that's the mentality of everyone, if that's the emotional reaction to everyone, that leaves opportunity for me. Period. That's the way I see it. I'm happy to have that be the case. A lot of people are upset that things like JP Morgan and stuff is manipulating metals. I can't control that myself. But I'm going to use that to benefit me. We all know how they're using it to benefit them. Why not use that information to benefit you? If you can't control things, you can raise the knowledge about things so that as a community it can be controlled, because some things not many people know about that all you need to do is spread the word. But a lot of that is just anything to do with the markets, anything economic is just way over everyone's head. People invest with financial advisors, just, oh, you say this, okay. Oh, I got a tip from so-and-so. Well, you ask them a few questions, they don't look into what they're buying, they don't look into what they're investing in, a lot of people don't even buy gold and silver, don't look into the history and the fundamentals of gold and silver, they just buy, which is good. That's kind of, gold and silver is kind of meant for that. That's kind of what it's meant for, to be honest, though. In my opinion, just to store your wealth when there's not much else to put it. Long term, it will basically balance out, in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but it's a similar strategy to what I take. No, it's a bit of a rant today, but there's a kind of a bit to cover. And as you guys could tell, I have no idea who this is from, but I want to find out. And yeah, the knife is, I don't know if it's a knife anymore, but we'll see what we could do. And oh wow, this opened up pretty easy, but that's probably why I put some tape on it. Alright, I'll get that off to the side. Okay. So. Okay. It's all good. Check out that. That is an awesome sticker, eh? Such a sweet design. Something about it. I got some Irish in me, so I'm pretty happy to see this on the sticker, eh? You got the big stacks of gold and silver in the bottom. I love it. It reminds me of my sticker. I'm going to put one up here just so it's always in the shot. But it's all good. It is all good, my friend. It's all good all day, every day. What an awesome name. Not many names for channels are better than It's All Good. Now, this guy probably stays positive all the time. So, yeah, it's all good. Look for his link in the description below, but hold on a second, finish up the video first. Gotta get that watch time. But, yeah, once the video's done, look for his link in the description below. And, yeah, so I'm not the best reader, as you guys could tell. Don't take offense, it's not your rating, it's me. Unless it's MillennialStacker. Sorry about that. But man, you're awesome. I know you could take a joke. So, hey Millennial, enjoy your channel. Want to send you a couple of stickers for your sticker board. Continue to success you to continued success to you and your channel. It's all good. And once again, it is all good. But yeah, so it's all good. He's been supporting me for quite a while now. I really like this sticker design. That is awesome. And as he said, you know, he's staying positive. Look at the guy in the picture. He's as happy as can be. So, kind of wraps it all up. I'm pretty happy about the outlook we have. I'd love to know all your guys' comments as normal. I'd love to know what your guys' thoughts are on the 2021 Roaring Lions. And yeah, I haven't had them come in yet, otherwise I'd show them, but yeah, I'd love to know just all your thoughts on what's going on right now. What do you guys think? If seems like everyone's turned into a gold and silver bear lately, I see that as bringing opportunity. I'm happy about that. I'm celebrating it. Whenever we have a drop, I'm gonna buy. But yeah, please stay positive, like, share, subscribe. Now you can go check out his link in the description below. Click on it, leave a nice comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and if you like the content, hit that bell button. Watch all the time, but please subscribe. Let them know I sent you. Stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.